Hello guys, good morning. I'm very happy you are here. I'm Rinske Douna and this is my art channel. Also, welcome to 2021. I hope this is gonna be an awesome year, much better than 2020. But I do think I ended 2020 with a bang, with a gorgeous work. I think it's my favorite. Also those colors, I'm in love. So let me show you that dried result here. It's this piece. So let me put it up like this. And I decided to use kind of a lot of negative space, and here in the bottom that it's super busy. You see that gold shine. I really do think that the gold makes this piece really. But yeah, in the video I said I need to make another one. I'll be doing that today, and instead of the green I'll be using a gray negative space because I think that will suit very well as well. Let's get started. Whoop whoop! I'm very excited. Let's see if we can create a similar design, a friend for my other painting that you just saw. I'm not gonna use the pale olive green now as the negative space, but I'll be using this gray, and I added some titanium white to it. And on the bottom then I will use some greens, white, Paynes Grey and a gold. So I'm gonna start with the base here. And the last one went so fast, really. So, let's hope this one works out. And of course, let's start covering the sides. Make sure they are nice and ready to go when it works out. And that's a nice thing with opaque colors, you know, they really stick to the sides, and if you just put your fingers over it, it looks beautiful. Okay, you know what, I'll be starting here with the Paynes Grey. I would like to have kind of a lot of Paynes Grey. Then let's go in with white. These are all the same paints that I used in the other one. I had so much left over, so it's good I have more canvases. And then we have this dark olive green. And just like the last one, I'm pouring here so much color. Just a little bit maybe of the gray, because I will blow the gray over, and the gold. Okay, let's see if this works out. Let's start with the blow dryer, and I will be blowing this direction first. Now I'll be blowing it more up. So let's start from here. I must say this one looks way different than the one I just made. So much of this green here. I'll be blowing from here, I guess. Let's see. Okay, well, that's more like it. Definitely more like it. Okay, but I will make this prettier later, but this part now is so nice. Really like that. Now the white and all is okay. So let me take my gray here. This one definitely needs more tweaking. That's cool. That's cool. So the next question is, guys, are we gonna torch this? And do we like this how it is right now? You know what? I will bring the camera over here. What are we thinking? What are we thinking about this? I feel like we always can say it when it's dry and not when it's wet, because the colors become such different colors when it's dry. A lot of details. I don't know about the gray now somehow. Okay, I'm talking way too much, thinking way too much. I'm gonna give you a close-up, guys. Look at them! How gorgeous are these two together? I love it. This one has a lot more gold. Here it's more subtle, but huge cells here. And some beautiful touches. You know, I can't get over the combination of that green with the gray. I think that's just stunning, really. Yeah, very happy. They dry so well as well. And I had so much paint on the canvas when I left them to dry. So yeah, you see a little bit of definition here. Also a bit of pinholes, but yeah, still looks super good. What do you think? Which one do you like best? I would love to hear that. I don't know. I think my preference goes to this one. But that's all because of that green. That green is just so beautiful. Okay guys, well thank you so much for watching. Would love to hear which one you like best. And I'll see you next time.